In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use full screen mode on Google Meet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to enter and exit full screen without any confusion. We'll start in Google Calendar because it's the most reliable way to jump into a scheduled meeting. Open your calendar in your browser and find the event that already has Google Meet attached. Click the event to open its details. In the event card, you should see the option to join the meeting. If you don't see a join button, double-check that the event includes a Google Meet link. Go ahead and select Join with Google Meet. This takes you to the pre-join screen. Here, you can take a second to check your camera and microphone, and if your browser asks for permission to use them, allow it so your audio and video work correctly. When everything looks good, click Join Now to enter the meeting. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of the meeting window for the three-dot icon labeled More Options. This menu holds a lot of useful controls. Click it, and then choose full screen. Your meeting will immediately expand to fill your display, hiding browser tabs and other distractions so you can focus on the conversation or presentation. This is especially handy when someone is sharing their screen or when you're presenting and want maximum visibility. Don't worry, you can still access the meeting controls. Just move your mouse and the toolbar will appear. When you're done with full screen, open the same More Options menu again. You'll notice the option now reads Exit Full Screen. Click it to return to the standard view, where you can see your browser interface and switch between tabs as needed. As a quick tip, pressing the Escape key often exits full screen as well, which can be faster if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. That's all there is to it. Open your meeting from Google Calendar, join the call, use More Options to go full screen, and use the same menu to come back. Full screen affects only your view, so turning it on won't change what other participants see. If you have multiple monitors, it will fill the monitor where the meeting window is currently open. And if you're presenting, full screen can help you keep your focus while still giving you easy access to Meet controls when you need them. Now you know how to smoothly toggle full screen on and off in Google Meet whenever you need a cleaner, distraction-free view.